Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting review. Today, we are introducing the all-new Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M3. This beauty boasts a high-resolution Retina display that will take your breath away. Under its sleek hood, you'll find the powerful M3 chip that promises lightning-fast performance. The advanced cooling system ensures your MacBook stays cool under pressure. And let's not forget the improved battery life, keeping you powered up all day. Now, who's ready to see what's in the box? Time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the unboxing of this technical marvel. The first thing you'll notice is the secure outer packaging, a testament to Apple's attention to detail. As we peel it away, the sleek, minimalist design of the MacBook Pro box is revealed. Upon lifting the lid, we're immediately greeted by the MacBook Pro itself, a vision of high-tech elegance. Its slim profile and cool aluminium body are as impressive in person as they are in the photographs. Beneath the MacBook Pro, we find the remaining contents of the box. There's the USB-C charge cable, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, and the 96W USB-C power adapter, a small but powerful piece of technology that ensures your MacBook Pro is always ready when you need it. And there you have it, folks. Everything that comes with the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3. Now, let's move on to the review. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. The review of the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3. Let's begin by powering up this beauty. The setup process is intuitive and user-friendly, guiding you smoothly through each step. Once you're in, you'll notice the refined user interface, designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Now let's talk performance. The new M3 chip is nothing short of a marvel. It handles heavy tasks with ease and speed, making multitasking a breeze. You'll notice the difference whether you're editing a video, rendering a 3D model, or even just browsing the web. The audio quality too is impressive. The high-fidelity 6-speaker system delivers rich, full sound for an immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or on a video call, you're in for a treat. The new Magic Keyboard is a delight to type on, and the larger trackpad gives you plenty of room for gestures. Keyboard warriors, rejoice! Finally, the battery life. It's significantly improved over previous models. You can work, play, or stream for hours without worrying about the battery draining. And that concludes our review of the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3, a powerhouse of a device that's sure to be a game changer. Well, that's all for today's review of the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3. This powerhouse truly stands out with its robust performance and exceptional features. We would love to hear your thoughts. So, do leave a comment below on what you think about the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future updates. Stay tuned for more such reviews. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.